Welcome back, everybody. So glad you could be with me here today. Your good friend Walter here at the workbench, giving the old TayTools number 6 workout. This is basswood that I'm planing. However, it has a curly figure to it. So I set the chip breaker really tight on a really sharp blade. Let me show you that. Can you see it? Not sure you can see the shimmer right in there. And this is a quarter, the quarter sawn face. There, maybe there. You can see it. Look how shiny that is. Beautiful finish, right off the plane.